Tsaka lang, nag-uusap pa kami kung paano nangyayari. Kasi si Liam, may sakit. Gosh, out of all the time, may sakit pa siya. Pero kasi naman, kasabay namin siya magbuyat. Pag 12 kami tutulog, 12 di siya tutulog. Oh, kaya pagod na pagod yung bata. Kahit nga kami pagod, paano pa siya doon? Kaya naman, ano na nangyari?
Yes, we're gonna go to USJ now. What is doing? Yeah! We're so training. We're wearing matching color caps and matching shoes. I'm so excited to share. Water bottle and water dito sa loob. Sana nagdala kami. Kala ko bawal. Ay! Gusto ko yung mga ganyan, yung mga pinasigaw. So, queue na lang ulit kami papasok na dun sa mismo entrance.
Okay.
One more.
Two?
Yes.
Okay.
Arigatou gozaimasu. To the first ride, which is Hollywood Dreams. Oh my god, guys! Guys, yay! Hollywood Dreams. Okay, first ride. Guys, alam niyo maganda dito, di ba? Mainit. May pa-mist sila, tapos may mga fan. So, very accommodating sila. Accommodating. Yan, nagme-mist siya. Guys, update. Magpa-flying dinosaur muna sabi. Kasi ang haba masyadong pila. Sabi dun sa app nila, parang 10 minutes, 10 minutes waiting time lang daw dun sa flying dinosaur. Kaya, dun muna kami. Yan, ito yung Jaws. Kaso mababasa dyan. So, pass muna tayo. Girl, look at that! Oh my God, paikot-ikot siya! You know? Oh my God. That's the ride I want to try. Wala! Ah! Diyos ko, nakakabahan ako pero excited at the same time. Guys! That's it! Jurassic Park! 25 minutes. So, nandito nandito kami sa Flying Dinosaur. Turns out, parang 40 minutes na din ata yung waiting time. Yan guys, may locker sila. Diyan nyo ilalagay yung mga gamit nyo. Kasi, hindi pwede siya sa taas. After nyo mag-ride, saka kayo bababa ulit to pick up your things.
Naliwasta ka. Natawa siya. Ano ang tsura natin? Wow, nice.
Nice!
Nice?
Ay, bakit natakpan yung mukha ko? Guys, kakatapos lang namin dun sa Flying Dinosaur. Grabe, nakakatakot pero sobrang saya. Nakaganon ka, oh. Nakaganon ka. Tapos nag-iikot-ikot siya. Parang umikot girl yung bituka. Pumunta kami ngayon kay Harry Potter. Sobrang init. Tirik na yung araw. Guys, hindi na kaya. Bibili kami ng frozen melon, then water. Wow, so init. Frozen melon, water, water,
And mango one.
no,
It's melon.
melon one.
Melon one and water.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Diyos ko, matutunaw na kami. Wow! Sarap! Wow! Ah! Okay. Para! No time to waste. Guys, the highlight. We're entering Hogwarts. Ang init pero let's go. Ang galing no, parang talagang nasa Harry Potter. So cool. Oh, that's the car. Yung nag-bump sila. Harry Potter 1 ba yun? Yeah! Yay! Harry Potter! Wow! I'll try the butterbeer later. Yay! Wow! Guys, update. We're still in the line. And it's taking so long. What time is it now? Currently 10:57. And it's so hot. Almost there. So close yet so far. At least it's a bit cooler. Here. Wala na kami sa tapat ng araw, guys. Guys, we're done with Harry Potter and so nice. Ako nga din nag-blink kasi. Just finished the Forbidden Journey. Bibili ako ng butterbeer. Guys, butterbeer! And that view. So good! Oishi!
12 seconds later.
Hi vlog! I'm gonna take over this vlog because her boss is calling. Work is calling.
Work pa rin si ate girl.
Guys, we're done with Harry Potter. Hindi na kami sumakay dun sa kabila. Kasi ang haba ng pila. Tsaka parang maliit lang naman yung roller coaster. So ngayon babalik kami sa Hollywood Dream. Magla-lunch mo kami doon. Then, saka kami mag-roller coaster. So, yeah. Sana matuloy this time. Kasi, for sure, super haba na naman doon ang pila. Pero guys, this ko, pro tip kayo pumunta ng summer. Super.
Don't come here in summer.
Highly not,
Or autumn.
highly not recommended. Not recommended, guys. Para kaming niluluto sa sobrang init. Guys, we're here na. Wow! So many people. Ito, mobile ordering na pala sila, guys. Order na kami dito. Bacon cheeseburger. And it cost 4,000 yen. For two na yun. Tama ba? 2,000 per person. This is the food. Yay! Then, melon soda. Let's eat. So guys, we're back here sa Hollywood Dream. Mas fewer people siya. Siguro kasi nagla-lunch pa yung iba. Kumain lang kami mabilis. Nag-burger kami. And now we're full and energized. We're back in the zone, baby. May nabigay na sa amin ganito. Ibig sabihin yan. Naka-receive kayo ng ganito. Sabihin mo, medyo malapit na kayo yan. Tapos binibigay nila to para ito yung parang indication na for, papasok ka pa lang. Guys, malapit na kami finally. Agad na din kami. Diyos ko, tunaw na tunaw na. Oh, init. Yan na siya, guys. Nakakiyot na kami. Ay, kami na sa loob. Guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Nintendo World. Sobrang init. I need good photos. Ito yung hindi ko pa napupuntahan, guys. Kasi, ang pinaka-latest nung pumunta ko is yung Harry Potter. We're in Nintendo World! Like, paano nila ito nagawa, guys? Guys, we're entering now yung Jaws. Kasi hindi namin kaya. Ano ba itong ride na to? Kasi forgot. Jaws. We're about to see some sharks. We're here now. Nandito kami sa parang theater something. Sinadya namin to para magpapalamig muna. There. Illumination presents Sing on Tour. Ayan, lamig. Sarap. Yay. Feel good lang. Yay. Yes. Ayan guys, yan yung papanara namin. Hindi na ako makapilm sa loob, so abangan nyo lang yung reviews ko. Haggard na! My hair is not cooperating. Guys, we're here inside now. Are you excited? Guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda. I like it. Ma-enjoy yung tandunan dito si Leah. Well, back to init ulit tayo, guys. I really enjoyed it. So cute. Tapos live pa silang nakakanta. Ang galing ng lalaki, no? I love it here. I love it. Even though it's hot. Finally, after how many hours of waiting? Hindi naman hours, minutes lang. But maybe mga 30 to 40 minutes of waiting. Saya siya, guys. Pero ang sakit sa liig. Sakit sa liig. Kasi nakaganon ka manood. Doon tayo sa isa pang mismo. Dito na. Guys, next is Villain Con. Tama ba? Grabe guys, hindi mo na lang nasan ka. Dito, kawabar. Ganun lang pala yun, Diyos ko. Hello. Kaya naman pala medyo mabilis din yung pila guys. Kailangan man uupo. Guys, we're gonna buy the churros. Tapos sa convenience na kami bibili ng water and coke. Very dehydrated. Thank you for waiting. Bye. Thank you. Yay.
If you go black, you never go back.
Kapirita. Eat. Ano? Lasang bingo. Diba? Guys, lasang bingo lang. Nag-ginawang stick. Yun nga. As in, carbon copy.
Yun na yan nila sa bingo.
Huwag na. So. That's what we're gonna buy. The mango. Because it's so hot. Okay. We get that finished that. Yay! Taste test time. Alam mo yung
Apple mango.
California Makina mango. Yan. Ano?
Lasang California mango.
Lahat ng description ko. Diba? Nasa California Maki. Not what I was expecting, you guys.
Fish.
Oo nga, parang sushi.
Ganon. Weird.
600 yen yan ah. Mahal.
Don't get this.
Not recommended again. Yung churros, wag na. Kung dala ka lang ng bingo dito sa USD. Wala akong nagustuhan sa food so far.
Butterbeer.
The butterbeer is good. Yun, bilhin nyo yun. And the slushy. The melon slushy was good also. Yung dalawang yun lang. Guys, we're here again sa Hollywood Dream. And sa backdrop kami. Let's see. Kasi yung haba ng queue dun sa yan yung pila papunta dun sa yung harap. Guys, kakatapos lang namin sa backdrop. What did you enjoy more? The ride or the backdrop? Both. Pero kung sa scary part, mas yung the dream. Ay, yung tama ba? Kasi hindi mo alam kung ano mangyayari dun sa backdrop. Kaya hindi siya mas nakakatakot. Pero sakit sa ulo. Ba't kaya ganon? Hindi nga guys. Sakit sa ulo. Kasi siguro na ganon yung ulo. Ako din, ganon yung feeling ko. Guys, pagod kami. Paupo lang kami dito sa sidewalk. Kami sa sidewalk. Guys, dito kami kay Doraemon 40. This is probably our last ride na we're going home because we're tired from the heat. Grabe. Sobrang init. Sabi ko na
Bili kami ng water.
300 yen isa. Mahal. So that's like 120 ganyan. 130 pesos. But wala eh. Kesa ma-dehydrate kami guys. What's the verdict? How's the US trip?
9/10. Minus the heat.
Yeah, honestly. Kung siguro to mga spring, 1 million out of 10 guys.
のように見えるも様子です。アートメガネをお持ちになってご案内時間までお待ちください。
Guys, nakaabot pa kami. Guys, nakatapos lang. We're about to go home na rin. Nasa labas na daw sila Liam. So, magpipicture lang kami. Then, dinner. Then, we'll go home and rest na.
That concludes our
Universal Studios Japan trip. Thank you so much for this experience. Oh, I'm gonna miss you. So good to be back, and I will come back again after some time. Goodbye, and see you next time. Maybe after 2 to 3 years. Dito ka.
Yummy.
Taste that.
walang laman.
Init ka.
Eat it all.
Wait.
So when it's yummy.
Papaya sa laman, guys.
You do
Fake
it
news
this when
naman
it's
to.
yummy.
But it's not super yummy. Kaya
You do this when it's not yummy.
it's only mid.
Yummy, but yeah.
Like that.
Is it yummy?
Like this.
Sarap pati.
Mid. It's good. But it could be better with custard.
But is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Is everything yummy?
Yeah. In Japan, everything is yummy.
What about in Philippines?
Not all.
You.